Good morning. Welcome you all to our EduGuru channel for daily current affairs. Welcome back to EduGuru Daily Current Affairs. In today's session, we will discuss Daily MCQ quiz, Minister of State independent charge, their portfolio and consistency, and GDP growth rate according to some organizations. Let's start with quiz. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of global edtech company ELSA Corporation for India, Middle East, ANZ and SAARC countries in May 2020? Answer: Ajinkya Rahane. Which IIT startup, NanoSafe Solutions, has launched an antimicrobial and washable face mask that can be reused up to 50 landings? Answer: IIT Delhi. Who has become the first person from minority community to join the Pakistan Air Force? Rahul Dev. Who was When was World Red Cross Day observed? World Red Cross Day observed on 8th May. Which of the following has extended Diya Mirza's term as its National Goodwill Ambassador for another 2 years till the end of 2020? UNEP, United Nations Environmental Day. Which country parliament has passed a bill allowing the government to slash 4 zeros from the rial in May 2020? Answer: Iran. Iran government slashed 4 zeros from the rial. And also the new name of the rial is Tanom. It is equivalent to 10,000 rial. Which of the following has included regions of Gilgit, Baltistan and Muzaffarabad territories currently under Pak occupied Kashmir in its daily weather bulletin? Answer: Indian Meteorological Department. Which mission has been launched by the India as repatriation drive for Indian nationals? Answer: Samudra Setu and Vande Bharat. Operation Vande Bharat through air Samudra Setu by Indian Navy. Who has been sworn in as the Prime Minister of Iraq recently in May 2020? Answer: Mustafa Al-Kadhimi. Name the closely known brown dwarf discovered by scientists which has cloud bands similar to the Jupiter and Saturn. Luhmann 16A. What is the estimated economic growth rate of India in financial year 21 as per Moody's Investors Surveys? 0%. Earlier it was 0.2%. IMF has approved $18 billion in emergency financing for how many countries during the coronavirus pandemic? Approved for 50 countries. According to the latest data by CMIE, unemployment rates have soared to dash percentage amid COVID-19 pandemic. Answer: 27.11% unemployment. Who among the following will head the 5-member jury for awarding the JCB Prize for Literature 2020? The 5-member committee jury headed by Leela Sampson. The other 4 also part of that committee. World Athletics Day was celebrated annually on May 7th. 7th May celebrating World Athletic Day. That's all for today's current affairs. Let's move to the static GK. Up to yesterday, completed our cabinet ministers. Now we are moved to Minister of State Independent Charge. Cabinet Minister and their portfolio and constituency. Rao Inderjit Singh, Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, and Minister of Planning. Constituency Gurgaon from Haryana. Santosh Kumar Gangwa, Minister of Labour and Employment. Constituency Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. Sripad Yesho Naik, Ministry of Ayush. Ayush means Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. Constituency North Goa, Goa. Kiran Rijiju, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Constituency Arunachal West, Arunachal Pradesh. Prahlad Singh Patel, Minister of Culture and Tourism. Constituency Damoh, Madhya Pradesh. Next, GDP growth rate of India according to some organizations for the financial year 2021. United Nations Economic and Social Survey of Asia and the Pacific. According to this, 4.8%. Asian Development Bank, 4%. ICRA means Investment Information Credit Ratings. According to this, India's GDP growth rate for the financial year 2021, 2%. World Bank, 1.5 to 2.8%. International Monetary Fund, 1.9%. India Ratings, 1.9%. CRISIL, 1.8%. S&P Fitch Solutions, 1.8%. Goldman Sachs, 1.6%. Confederation of Indian Industries, minus 0.9% to 1.5%. Development Bank of Singapore, 1.5%. SBI EcoWrap projected 1.1%. Fitch Ratings 0.8%. Moody's GDP growth rate projection is 0%. Earlier it was 0.2%. That's all for today's current affairs and static GK. Thank you. Jai Hind. If you like this channel, then subscribe my channel for more updates. Please like, share, comment and subscribe EduGuru channel. Thank you all. Jai Hind.